because today we are going to learn uh, the use of sounds. We have a word shell, sound shell. Actually, there are some vowels and the others are consonants. Vowels have open sound and the consonants have closed sounds. So, what are our vowels? A, E, I, O, U are our vowels, and the other all alphabetic letters are consonants. Okay, let me edit one thing. Sometimes we add Y as vowel sound. So, the words ending with sound like shall after the consonant letters. This is our today's topic. So, come to the point directly. We have some examples here. For example, martial, partial, martial, Martial. Sounds, it sounds shall. It sounds shall. So, tial sounds shall. So, again, come to the point. We have word martial means martial arts. Partial means not whole one. Substantial with too much weight. Substantial. If you look at these three words, martial, partial, and substantial. So we have observed one thing. We have a consonant before tial in these three words. Okay, move on. Next we have confidential, confidential, confidential. Confidential also have N and N is a consonant, not a vowel. So that's why TIL sounds like shall. Next we have essential. Essential also have N before TIAL. So essential is also N is also a consonant. So TIL sounds like shall. Influential also have N before TIAL. So that's why TIL sounds like shall. Okay, look at the yellow box. Most most of the word most of the words have an consonant letter before the shall sound. TIL means TIAL sound. Usually this means that the sound is split into spelled using TIAL. So that was our today's topic. Share, like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.